Thinking about diving into the entrepreneurial waters. That's awesome. The world of business can be exciting, challenging, and rewarding all at the same time. Let's walk through some steps to get you started. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. First things first, identify your passion. Ask yourself what drives you. Think about what you can do for hours without getting bored. This is crucial because if you love what you do, it won't feel like work. Once you figured that out, do your research. Did you know that about 50% of businesses fail within the first 5 years? To avoid being part of that statistic, it's essential to understand your market and your competition. Look at trends and potential gaps in the market that your business idea can fill. Okay, got your idea. Cool. Now let's talk about funding. Did you know that about 82% of businesses that fail do so because of cash flow problems? Yep. So decide on how you're going to fund your startup. This could be through savings, bank loans, or maybe even angel investors. Then there's the legal stuff. Pick a business structure. This could be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. Each has its pros and cons. Consult with our organization to make an informed choice by visiting legalregistration.com. All right, moving on. Write a business plan. It doesn't have to be a novel, but it should outline your business goals, strategies for achieving them, and potential challenges you might face. This document can be super handy when you're seeking funding. After that, don't forget about the permits and licenses. Different businesses have different requirements, so have our organization check with local, state, and federal agencies on your behalf to ensure you're on the right track. Now, we are getting to the fun part. Building your brand. Think about what makes your business unique. Why should people choose you over someone else? Craft a catchy name, design a memorable logo, and develop a presence online. The last piece of advice: never stop learning. The world of business is ever evolving. In fact, 65% of kids entering primary school today will end up working in jobs that don't even exist yet. So always be curious, always be open to feedback, and always be willing to adapt. For help starting your new business, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the steps in this video? Which one seems the hardest? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.